Hello friends, so this video is about Bharat Electronics employment notification. So this notification is related to the trainee engineer 1 and project engineer 1 post vacancies, and the eligibility criteria for this opportunity is BE or BTech degree in electronics engineering or mechanical engineering or electrical and electronics engineering and telecommunication engineering. So without further delay, we will move on to the details of the notification. Company title Bharat Electronics Limited. This job is on contract basis. So coming to the post, the first post is trainee engineer 1 and the number of posts are electronics 16 and mechanical 4 vacancies, and regarding the reservation, general 6 number of vacancies, for SC 3, ST 2, OBC 6 and EWS 3 vacancy. And for the trainee engineer category, the upper age limit as on July 1st 2020 is 25 years, and minimum experience required as on July 1st 2020 is 6 months for trainee engineer 1, and the job location is Mumbai. And the second category is project engineer 1, and here also electronics 16 vacancies, and for mechanical 14 vacancies, and for general 12, SC 5, ST 2, OBC is 8 and EWS 3, and the age limit is 28 years as on July 1st, and the total post qualification experience required is 2 years, and the job location is Bengaluru. Then regarding the age relaxation, for SC and ST 5 years of age relaxation, and for OBC 3 years. For PWD category, if they have 40% disability or more than that, will get 10 years of relaxation. And regarding the pay scale, for project engineer 1, initially they need to work for 2 years, that may be extended till 4 years, and the consolidated pay of rupees 35,000, 40,000, or 45,000 and 50,000 based on their working years. I mean, the first year of their working period, they will get a consolidated pay of 35,000. Similarly, at the end, I mean, the fourth year of their working experience, they will get 50,000 per month. And trainee engineer, initially they need to work for 1 year, then that can be extended till 3 years, and the pay scale is 25,000 or 28,000 or 31,000 according to the first, second, and third years of their working. And the qualification required for this is full-time BE or BTech courses under electronics discipline, or ECE, electronics and communication, or EEE, I mean electrical and electronics engineering, or telecommunication or mechanical stream or eligible. And for general, OBC and EWS candidates, they should possess minimum first class, and for SC, ST and PWD candidates, passing in the prescribed qualification is required. Then the experience required for this category is minimum 2 years of experience is required for project engineer 1, and 6 months of post qualification experience is required for trainee engineer 1. And they have also given specified areas in which the candidates should possess their experience for mechanical and electronics category. So next we have selection procedure. So based on their BE and BTech marks, they are having 75% of weightage, and for the experience, the minimum experience required as per the notification, they will get 2.5 marks, and for each 6 months after that, they will be awarded with 1.25 marks to the maximum of 10 marks. So totally 10% of 100 will be allotted for the experience, and the shortlisted candidate will undergo a personal interview of 15% of mark. So this is the selection procedure and the mark split up. So the starting date for online application is 22nd 7 2020, and it will end at August 2nd 2020, and the documents to be submitted by the candidates along with the application form is 10th standard mark certificate, then BE or BTech degree certificate, then consolidated mark sheet of the degree, then caste certificate, then the experience certificate. Also, if the candidate is working in any other government organization, so they need to provide a no objection certificate during the time of interview. And regarding the application fee for the trainee engineer 1, 200 rupees is the application fee, and project engineer 1, rupees 500 is the application fee, and no fee for PWD, SC and ST categories. Then the general instruction is the selected candidates are required to cover a minimum of 2 lakh rupees of medical insurance, and they need to submit that during their joining. Also, an additional rupees of 10,000 per year will be paid towards the expenses like medical insurance premium, attire allowances, stitching charges, footwear allowances, etc. So these are the general instructions they have provided, and if they have any further queries they may contact to this email ID. So I have provided the notification and the official online application website in the description box for your reference. I hope this video is useful for you. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. All the best. Thank you.